In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can delete your recent calls at once on iPhone. Deleting your recent calls on iPhone can be important for maintaining privacy and security. It prevents others from seeing who you've been in contact with, which can be crucial if you share your device or if it's lost or stolen. To do this, simply head into your phone dialer. Then select on Recents. On this page, tap right here on the Edit button. To delete all your call history, just tap on the Clear button. Select Clear All Recents. All your call history will get deleted successfully. You can also delete specific calls. You will have to just slide left and tap on the Delete option. That's how easy it is to delete your call history on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.